Easy air conditioning financing in PortCharlotte. Native Air Conditioning and Heat, LLC. Looking to upgrade or replace your air conditioning system in PortCharlotte, Florida? Native Air Conditioning and Heat, LLC is here to make it easier than ever with our flexible air conditioning financing options. Say goodbye to sweltering summers and hello to affordable comfort. At Native Air Conditioning and Heat, LLC, we understand that investing in a new air conditioning system can be a significant expense. That's why we offer hassle-free financing solutions to help you enjoy the benefits of a modern and efficient AC unit without breaking the bank. With our air conditioning financing options, you can stay comfortable. Don't suffer through another summer with an outdated or inefficient AC system. Upgrade to a high-quality, energy-efficient unit that keeps your home cool and comfortable. Save money. Investing in a new air conditioning system may seem daunting, but with our financing plans, you can spread out the cost over manageable monthly payments. Enjoy the savings on your energy bills with a more efficient system. Increase home value. A new, modern air conditioning system not only improves your comfort but also adds value to your home. It's a smart investment that pays off in more ways than one. At Native Air Conditioning and Heat, LLC, we take pride in our expertise and commitment to customer satisfaction. Our team of skilled technicians will guide you through the financing process, helping you choose the best option for your budget and needs. We work with reputable lenders to provide competitive rates and flexible terms. Ready to experience the benefits of air conditioning financing with Native Air Conditioning and Heat, LLC? Contact us today to learn more about our financing options and get started on your journey to a cooler, more comfortable home. Call us at 941-200-1113 or visit our website to schedule a consultation and take the first step towards affordable and efficient cooling.